We can still do that.
I can do that without, because it's term. We could actually stop and start at any time.
They'll give us 60 days to adjust it.
Like, 60 days, are they going to have my record by that time?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we're all 45 days.
So let's just start with the 100 for 20. It's only $10 difference. The other policy on
Let's do it.
And then once I get charged, I'll come back out. We'll do that.
Does that sound right to you, Cindy?
What's left off?
What?
Is where I left off.
We do
And I
100,000 for like
didn't do
$10
anything.
more
You trust me.
for you,
Uh,
and then we'll adjust it when
my squirrel's
my
gonna
record comes in.
faint. Very nervous.
Let's
My
go get the
squirrel's
$40
gonna faint
more.
like the next round. Oh, come on, let's do it. Let's even
Um, the other policy we have, it was like issued to me like almost without question, the 60 grand. Well, to get life insurance for war. So it would be issued
about this,
like
it's just
weekly
really
split, and so I would have money to pay. I would have debt.
So you're gonna
But,
just-
so
it goes
my
to you
kids
and
would
pay
have
quickly?
money to pay my bills while they wait for my insurance to get in.
wait, I was going to.
You know what I mean?
I'm
So
going
how
this way.
quickly is that going to be issued so that my family can continue to pay bills?
That's a really good question. So any kind of policy that's with an outside company, outside of work, any company,
Running right at me.
they have 6 days to
What do you have? I mean,
get you the funds after a death certificate is issued.
it's a bunch. It's a bunch.
After
I
the
did it for my school.
The complication is getting the death certificate. So it doesn't
Well,
matter.
not as much anymore, I wouldn't think, because we're all like.
Well, Kaiser going through your department.
Well,
Not
that's
a
that's
chance.
my department though.
They don't?
I
Death
can't
certificates
believe
are
I
through my department also. That's a separate.
Well,
How
I
you have
I
a
think
Those
they
are done pretty fast because they're all electronic now.
yeah.
It's required in the state of Oregon and Washington that they do it electronically.
Well, I have seen them take 3 weeks.
Yeah, but that's not.
Oh, yeah.
You can put both like a
Oh,
golf.
yeah.
Could have to, you could go like a golf ball.
Don't worry, it's just my sister.
Yeah, but I mean, if you get it in 3 days, and 6 days for the life insurance, but I mean, if you have to wait 3 weeks and then 6 days.
Do you know
for
they're
life
talking?
insurance, that makes it a.
I told them
Yeah,
at the beginning of the video.
It should still be.
Okay, I want to try catching this fletchling because I need a fire truck.
60 days.
Don't
to
give
fund
up.
what you have.
Yeah.
This will be the last check from her.
Now Pokeball. Pokeball, thanks. Get that Pokeball.
I was just
Yeah. Hold it up the light. Hold the light. Get really in the light.
Training.
Goes through. That's I gotta redo that to get more.
Do you want to nickname it? Yeah, let me name it. I'm going to nickname
I found that at work. It was in a. It was in a.
like
It was in
Fletch.
a box.
Fletcher.
Driveway.
Fletcher. Fletcher.
Yeah.
Fletcher.
Kids like to go through. That's the Montana Ag.
Fletcher. Now I have a little Fletcher.
You
Really
know,
sorry about that. It just stopped again. The camera just keeps stopping. Wait, did you see me catch the fletchling?
You need glass.
You did.
There's glass beaches. I know you care. I got nowhere to talk to over 7.
That's my dad. You just saw my dad. You just saw my dad though. That was my dad.
Yeah.
Like I said, my
Glass
dad
beaches
just
are
talked
supposed to be
to
glass that broke.
someone. I don't actually know who that is, but
You're supposed to go walk on.
okay.
That's the bottom of the line. So I thought, what the hell? We can't find you in glass beaches. You're supposed to walk and look at that glass. That has been polished from the sea. Things are broken. The green ones will make yours of that. But we polish it, make it to shine like that. So we spray it. There's a couple weird
Oh, I need to rename
I
you.
really do like a Halloween.
Can you rename
My youngest daughter,
You
she
can
put
rename
little
him somehow.
laps on it.
Please tell me if you can rename
Yeah.
him
So that was
somehow.
pretty neat.
It's
Oh,
so
yeah, over here. Take some photos.
weird.
Yeah, my daughter's gonna have a glamour party where we
Oh,
So we're gonna do
Keep
shots.
stopping
They're
the
gonna fix up her makeup in her hair.
No! I tried getting away.
And I polish it up and soften the skin
It
and
will not be me.
do the hair
Sarso!
on my laptop. Yeah, that looks weird, but yeah, it looks like it turned out really neat.
I don't want to follow you. I want to stop. I want to follow you.
So she's doing the hair.
What's the best day for paint jobs?
He went to holidays. Who's that guy?
It's just like,
He kind of does. And he was sitting there. See my wife laughing? He was sitting there. What was he saying? You lost that love. You couldn't hear the music behind him, the Top Gun music. And he's standing over off the way. And he's sitting there going, you lost that love and film. My wife just cracking up. He's cracking up. And he gets in there. And I got a bunch of pictures. We got Marilyn Monroe, too. A great Marilyn Monroe.
Sister, I'm sorry. You can always follow me. So I should
Does it have any stipulations?
well, yes, no suicide.
Also, don't kill yourself for 2 years.
Yeah.
They probably don't pay. Does it pay fully off if you kill yourself?
Yeah, absolutely.
Really? That's weird.
What's the best day for the big drafts?
You need a check?
Well, what I need.
What'd you do with the checkbook?
But other one, can't die from
I think you can name it. There's a computer. Looks so much different. Let's go here. Nickname. Nickname.
Probably toward
I'm
the
gonna
end of the
name
month.
it Flesh Runner. No, I'm gonna name it.
But it just won't.
I'm just gonna name it
But
Fire.
if you have to kill her, so
I got an idea.
I can't.
But
No, I can't.
pancake.
Are you going to commission a felony? Yeah, if you kill a commission a felony,
I can't profit from my
Pancake. Hot pancake.
my crime.
So let's see if that worked.
Well, you should.
Yes! He's a hot pancake now.
Yeah.
And nickname you. I'm gonna name
She's
you.
like, hey, Dad.
So do we?
I think that's how you spell it. Let me make
Well,
sure.
someone.
Some tree. Bubbles.
You see, we got paper.
I don't know if that's how you spell bubbles. I think that is.
Not
But
yet.
I don't care. His name is Bubbles.
It's just a
And
note.
Pip Pip.
You just return this fast.
Yeah.
Because I know when I get my car insurance.
This is my challenge. I have to name
It's like the insurance
every
company
single
will
one.
not
I
do it.
have to. This is my challenge. So let's go.
Because that we'd almost like it to cancel.
I need to help Hot Pancake get my levels up. Let's start, grinding. Let's see what we can get. New Pokemon. New Pokemon. I don't
Big
actually
draft,
like
best day?
this.
Probably toward the end of the month, 26th. Is that possible? Do you think?
I'm gonna do like no damage.
Yeah.
The first check goes to the house.
Pretty good
Yeah,
for
the second check goes
level
to
2 version level 5. Stranger shot. You're so stupid. Come on.
I did a check
You're way
for
faster than me.
964.
Really?
Yeah, the first one has to be an actual physical shot.
And then it'll.
They're using quality
It's gonna be tough. It's getting really laggy. Getting really laggy.
Look at my pen I used the other day. Does that one work?
So when is this in effect?
I love you, Dad.
Red.
How long does it take to actually?
I'm
So
not.
how does it end?
You can't constrict me alive. I'll never let you take out my skill, dude. I won't let you take him out. Yes, take this. Come on, Hot Pancake. Yes. Thank you, Hot Pancake. You did it. You did it, Hot Pancake. You did it. I knew you had a new Hot Pancake. It's a Weedle.
I believe so.
Let's get a Weedle.
Oh, 59.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Hot Pancake. I don't think you can win this one. This Weedle is gonna destroy you.
So you got your trap and you
It's
still
okay.
get it.
Hot Pancake.
About $60.
Ah, Pip Pip.
Oh,
Go,
yeah,
Pip
you
Pip.
made 45 for it. Yeah, I was thinking about you.
What's
I
the
didn't
date
even
today?
get
The
Pip Pip
9th?
to level
10th?
9.
Oh,
Because once he gets to level 9, he
Yesterday
wins
was my.
Gus.
It doesn't matter, does it?
Gus is gonna destroy me. No!
Greg, it doesn't matter what date I sent it.
This is not good. He's poison. I
Oh,
gotta go. Come on, quickly. I don't want Pip Pip to beat.
It's tough to sell insurance.
Pip Pip, come on. Pip Pip, I believe in you, Pip Pip. Come on.
He's talking
Da,
about.
na, 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 na.
What I do, write yourself a reminder up.
this is for you.
Da, na, 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 na.
Uh,
Yes!
yeah, by say lost hands.
Yeah, you can't write things.
Called coercion. It's just coercion.
Right here?
Yeah, coercion.
Everybody does that. I know, just my insurance license. I gotta clean this here.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I
Well, I
just
didn't want it
realized,
to be wrong.
3 people on randomizer mode. Comment down below if you want me to do random mode. But they do.
I don't think it's personal.
Okay, I didn't say
I'm in the record business.
Don't eat it. I want to eat it. I mean, I'll eat it.
Okay, that's all I need.
We told them a lot of that. You know,
Three
sure.
guys
A lot.
want to touch it.
This is working on my shoulder tonight.
Thank you.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
We don't.
Like military goes to the
I
bridge.
should have find it.
This is
I
working.
have to do it.
Is that yours or is it?
Take off.
Okay, so
At
yours.
least it's not underwear.
You know, yours.
Da, 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 da,
Let us know. See you that morning.
Perfect.
Next time we go and make crepes or something, you can do better in scheduling.
We won't have your taxes all
da,
over.
da, da,
We're not good at modeling, but she makes
You
crepes.
won't see me procrastinating with that.
Whipped cream on it.
Sorry about this, guys. We're getting under a chair.
Don't like
A lot of
this
stuff.
at all.
Not just Pokemon. I'm talking about my parents
But it's money.
stuff. Come
Refund.
on.
Yeah.
You think you Yeah,
This
I'm
is
gonna
last
catch
year
it.
we
I'm gonna
used to
catch
take
it.
on a receipt.
Go.
You write your sales tax off and your gas tax. Because the sales tax
Get in the
next year
Pokeball.
was a
Get in the
bomb.
Pokeball. I love you. Keep in the Pokeball. Stay in the Pokeball. Stay in.
I'm
Yes!
still saving it. I don't know
Yes,
where
we
it's
have
going.
another one.
Yeah, I keep hearing about that.
Let's name
If you
him
listen, our kids are. She
Stink Stink. No. Let's name him
scared of little shadow.
All right, I'm gonna
Stink.
hear. That's it. I'm glad I was able to help.
And you're gonna cancel that, right? We're gonna have to.
Yeah,
We need
I
Steve.
gotta know from her.
Okay.
And
And this is term too. We can cancel anytime.
Make sure it worked. See.
So we'll get that set up and you'll lose your
You get when you sell a policy every month, you get a little taste of it, right?
No, I get paid for my receipt.
So you're not on a commission because I think the car company, the guys that sell car insurance, that own the companies, they get a little taste every month. They probably get a good selling thing, and they get a, every time the month they get a check.
Come on. Let's
Right?
keep going.
Like,
Let's keep
$2
going.
bucks
Longer.
every month, adds up.
Longer.
All the time the new tax law. Then the company just pays me for that. So you guys.
I'm gonna do some more
So we want to hurt you if we
and then
cancel.
I'm just gonna
I don't
stop.
want to hurt you.
It
But
makes it easier because I can be honest.
I am going
Yeah, you're not
to.
pushing. You're not desperate to
I
sell.
am.
I know
And I know I am.
I want that.
I'm just grind off.
But also, I've been doing it 15 years. I have about 3,000 folks I work with.
And then I will come back.
Yeah.
No, not right now. But
Start, some of them are starting to.
I'm just gonna start grinding and
Well, that's
grinding.
just you know,
And yeah,
everybody
next
is.
time,
You're selling something.
my Pokemon hopefully are a little bit strong.
Another deal comes through, like if she gets it,
But
moves up,
after
and all of a
this,
sudden their policy pops up.
Stingy, go.
Where she got to now is
Weedle,
crazy.
Weedle.
You're in bonus.
Push it, stay.
Like 10% of the wages.
This is so difficult. I don't know which one goes first. Actually, this one goes
I
first.
sold tires and things on the truck.
Actually,
And
no,
in a year, the cost of
I
my
know.
truck, they let off my
Weedle
maybe
is
percentage back. It's nothing like
Easy.
that.
This is gonna be a long battle. Oh, I'll be back when this battle's over. I'm so close, guys. I'm so close. Come on, poison stinging. Come on. Fire. I'm going Super Saiyan. Sorry, but I did it. Thank you, Stingy. You did it. 22 XP. Okay, so I think this is gonna wrap up the video. We named them. Got 2 more Pokemon and we named them. And we named our other Pokemon. We did some leveling up, I guess. We leveled up Pip and some stuff. And it requires 9,000. Alright. But I guess this is all for the video show. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. So, bye.